beginning, and every movement brings new energy. Morning sunlight fills the sky. Lift your hands and reach up high. Feel the rhythm soft and free. Every breath awakens me. Step by step and side to side. Let your heart become your guide. Strong and steady, calm and bright. Everything will feel just right. Move with the morning, flow with the breeze. Dance like the branches that sway through the trees. Breathe in the sunshine, breathe out the rain. Every new moment renews me again. Move with the rhythm, gentle and light. Shining with joy from morning till night. Body and spirit together as one. Smiling beneath the warm golden sun. Every stretch unlocks new light. Every step feels smooth and bright. Like a river calm and clear. Peace and strength are always near. Mountains teach me how to stand. Ocean waves shape every strand. With each breath I grow each day. Finding hope along the way. La 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 la. Move with the morning, flow with the breeze. Dance like the branches that sway through the trees. Breathe in the sunshine, breathe out the rain. Every new moment